Do you have oily and acne prone skin? Here on this video, I'm going to be sharing amazing face washes that are friendly to your oily and acne prone skin that will help you reduce the production of excessive oils and also help you tackle breakouts and acne, and also help you tackle excessive oil production and acne breakouts. When selecting products for oily and acne prone skin, you want to avoid products that contains excessive added oil and prioritize the following. Number one, you want to ensure that product is gentle on the skin and does not contain harsh ingredients like alcohol and sulfates that can completely strip your skin of its natural oils. Another thing you should put into consideration is you want to ensure that product is non-comedogenic and it contains ingredients like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide that are going to help to reduce the excess production of oil and also prevent acne breakouts on the skin. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, it's your girl once more. Here on this channel, we talk about everything skincare, beauty, and lifestyle. If this sounds like any of the things you're interested in and you're still yet to subscribe, please you guys kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, like my videos, drop me a nice comment as well, and I'll connect with you in the comment section. So without taking much of your time, let's go straight into why we are here. The first face wash I have here with me, you guys, is the Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. This face wash comes in two variants. If you don't get this particular one, you can go ahead and get this particular one. Whichever you are able to get, they both contain the same ingredient. The only difference is in the texture. One is in a kind of a liquid form, while the other one is a little bit thicker and it comes in a creamy consistency, but they contain almost the same ingredients, and the major ingredient they contain is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid in this particular face wash is going to help in the removal of blackheads, whiteheads, and is going to help also to slow down the rates at which your skin is producing excessive oil. This particular face wash also contains benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is actually an antibacterial property which is going to help to prevent the occurrence of acne, pimples, or any form of bacterial infection on the face. It is also going to help to control the occurrence of acne or facial breakouts. It's going to help to gently cleanse the skin by removing excessive oil. The next face wash I have here with me, you guys, is the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. This particular acne wash contains 2% salicylic acid, and salicylic acid as the major ingredient in this particular face wash will also help to tackle acne and dark spots. It's also going to help you reduce the frequency or the reoccurrence of breakouts or pimples and dark spots on your skin. It is also going to help to protect your skin barrier because it contains collagen in it. The next face wash we're going to be talking about, you guys, is the Panoxyl Acne Cream Wash. This contains 4% benzoyl peroxide. This particular product will help to clear the existing acne on your face because of the presence of the benzoyl peroxide in it, and it's also going to help to prevent the appearance of new ones. The next face wash we're going to be looking at, you guys, is the Ceramide Foaming Face Wash. This face wash contains niacinamide and hyaluronic acid as the major ingredient in it. It's going to help to deeply cleanse your skin and helps to protect the skin barrier. It is suitable for people that are oily skin. If you are oily skin, this particular one is very, very perfect for you. And if you also have a combination skin, this particular face wash works very, very well for you. The next face wash, you guys, is the Cetaphil Oil Skin cleanser. This particular cleanser helps to remove excessive oil from your face as well, and also it doesn't completely rip your skin of its natural oil. It leaves the skin hydrated and very supple at the same time. This is highly recommended for people with sensitive skin. Most of these face wash that I'm mentioning, they don't contain any harsh chemicals that are going to trigger acne breakout or cause any form of irritation to your skin, because most of them are fragrance free and don't contain any color in them. The next face wash we're going to be looking at, you guys, is the simple refreshing face wash. You guys, this face wash is 100% soap free, and it also have a very friendly pH of 5.5 to 6. No color added, no fragrance in it that are going to irritate your skin. It is perfect for people with sensitive skin. The last but not the least, you guys, I've spoken about this particular face wash in the past, is the tea tree foaming face wash. You guys, this face wash is very good. It is underrated. In fact, it contains tea tree extract as the major ingredient. It is very mild and gentle on the skin. So if you have an oily prone skin or you break out easily, this is the best for you. If you have a sensitive skin or you have a normal to combination skin, this is a very perfect choice for you. It is going to help to gently cleanse your skin and also help to, remove any form of excessive oil on your skin. Now, what actually causes acne breakouts in people with oily skin is because when your skin produces excessive oil, it tends to, stay on the skin, and then they clog your pores. They don't give your pores the chance to breathe. So those excessive oil continue to get trapped on the skin. So if you don't introduce a very good exfoliating agent or cleansing agent like salicylic acid, and also an antibacterial agent like the benzoyl peroxide, then you are going to continue to break out excessively, and you want to avoid any products that will irritate your skin any further. That's why most of these products that I mentioned, they don't contain excessive added oil. Most of them are fragrance free. They don't even contain any color or alcohol or any harsh ingredient in them that can irritate your skin or rip your skin of its natural oil completely. Even though we're trying to reduce the rate at which your skin produces oil, but once you introduce products that are too harsh in higher percentage like alcohol into the skin, and the oil are now completely stripped off, at the end of the day your skin will become irritated and you will break out massively. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button, and don't forget to like my videos, guys. Don't forget to drop me a nice comment at the comment section, and see you guys in my next. Bye.